In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your permanently deleted TikTok account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have deleted your TikTok account and 30 days have passed, then it means that TikTok account is now permanently deleted. And in order to recover such permanently deleted TikTok account, you need to open TikTok application and click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens. Go to settings and privacy, scroll down and click on this report a problem option. Then go to account and profile. Select the last option, profile page, then scroll down and click on other. Once again scroll down and click on this need more help option. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I am writing here. I'll also put this paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. At the end of the paragraph, do not forget to mention your username and email address that was linked with your deleted TikTok account. Once you have done that, tap on the submit option, and once you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your permanently deleted TikTok account will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.